Three identical solid spheres each have a mass m and diameter d and are touching each other as shown in the figure. Calculate the ratio of moment of inertia about the axis perpendicular to the plane of the paper and passing through point P and B as shown in the figure. Note that given P is the centroid of the triangle. The moment of inertia of solid sphere is equals to 2 by 5 m d by 2 whole square. Distance of centroid, that is the point P from the center of the sphere, is d upon under root 3. By using the parallel axis theorem, we know that the moment of inertia about P is equals to 3 into 2 by 5 m d by 2 the whole square plus m into d upon root 3 whole square, which comes out to be 3 by 10 m d square. Similarly, we find the moment of inertia about B, which comes out to be 23 by 10 m d square. Now the ratio is 13 by 23.